Welcome to AI Response.
Hello. Here are the required ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, cooking spray or additional butter for the pan. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Do not overmix. Heat a nonstick pan or griddle over medium-high heat. Spray with cooking spray or melt a small amount of butter. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup or ladle, pour the pancake batter onto the pan. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, until bubbles begin to form on the surface of the pancake. Flip the pancake over and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Repeat with the remaining batter, adding more cooking spray or butter to the pan as needed. Serve warm with your favorite toppings, such as syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Enjoy!
Hi, everything you saw and heard was created by an AI. Specifically, the content was generated by ChatGPT through OpenAI.com, and the video was created with Syntheses.io, which is a voice-to-text and text-to-video software. There is an affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Have a good day.